Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a light leak transition in Premiere Pro. You can go ahead on YouTube and search for a light leak overlay. You can then download the light leak effect that you like and you can then import it onto your project. After that, go ahead and drag your light leak video onto your timeline. Let's zoom into the timeline and go to where the light leak effect covers the whole video like this. And select the light leak clip on the timeline and press M on your keyboard to mark that spot. After that, go ahead in between both of your clips and align that marker between the two clips. Now let's go to Effect Controls, and under the Opacity section, you can see the blend mode, and let's change it to Screen, and that will get rid of the black color on the effect, and it should look like this. And that is how you can basically add a light leak transition in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.